Welcome back to another episode of Cooking by the Book. My name is Katie, and today I'm bringing you a book by Megan Brown. This is Spectacular Spreads. Some of you may remember her first book, Beautiful Boards, which we also have at the library. Now, Spectacular Spreads here features spreads for everything from slumber parties, birthday parties, baby showers. But with Cinco de Mayo coming up, we decided to test 3 of the recipes from that plan. We have taco bites, sombrero cookies, and baked spiced tortilla chips today. So let's get started. For beef taco bites, we will need 1 teaspoon canola oil, a ½ pound ground beef, 1 tablespoon taco seasoning, 1 cup refried beans, a ½ cup thick and chunky salsa, 40 scoop tortilla chips, a ½ cup sour cream, a ½ cup shredded cheddar and Monterey Jack cheese blend, a ½ cup chopped tomato, and a ¼ cup chopped fresh cilantro. To begin making our taco bites, we'll heat our oil in a skillet. Once that's had a chance to heat up, we'll add in our ground beef and begin to break it up with a spatula and let it brown. As the beef starts finishing up, we're going to add in our taco seasoning. We'll add in our salsa and our beans. So to make our bites, we're going to take about a teaspoon's worth of our beef mixture and we're going to place it inside our scoops. Okay, these are ready for the oven. So 5 minutes at 350 degrees is all they need. Our taco bites are ready to come out of the oven. And now we can put all the good toppings on them. So we're gonna top these each with a bit of sour cream and a bit of cheese, tomato, and a sprinkle of cilantro. For sombrero cookies, we will need 1 10-ounce bag of white melting wafers, 1 3-ounce package of rainbow nonpareils, 12 Oreo Thins Golden sandwich cookies, 12 dots gumdrops. To make our sombrero hats, we'll start by melting our white chocolate wafers. Just follow whatever your instructions say on the package you have. And then we've got a sheet pan here that's been lined with parchment paper. And we'll take our cookie, roll just the edges through our chocolate, and then roll it through our sprinkles. I'm going to set that on our tray, and we're going to take one of our gumdrops, dunk the bottom of it in the chocolate, and then into the sprinkles, and back again into the chocolate. And then we'll place him right in the center of our cookie, and that makes our sombrero. For the baked spiced tortilla chips, we will need 8 6-inch flour tortillas, a ½ teaspoon of chili powder, a ½ teaspoon of paprika, a ½ teaspoon garlic powder, ½ teaspoon ground cumin, ½ teaspoon kosher salt, 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and canola or olive oil cooking spray. To begin with our tortilla chips, we'll spray our pan with some cooking spray. And we'll go ahead and we'll cut our tortillas into 8 equal pieces. And then as we get these cut, we'll lay them in a single layer on our baking sheet. Once you have those all laid out on your baking sheet, we can combine all of our spices together in one bowl. Oops. And mix those together. And then we're going to spray our tortilla wedges with the cooking spray and sprinkle on the seasoning. Then these are going to go in the top rack one at a time in the oven at 400 degrees, and we're going to let them stay in there for about 8 to 10 minutes, turning the pan halfway through, and we'll just keep a close eye on them for when they start to get crispy enough for us, and that's when they're ready. Once our chips are done, we'll pull them out of the oven and give them a stir. And then we let them set for at least 5 minutes and they're ready to serve. We hope you enjoyed today's episode of Cooking by the Book. We'll see you next time.